Me straightening up my bathroom. Straightening up my bathroom sink. Straightening up my bathroom sink. I got a the tub thing.
And I was gonna keep $20 a piece. And I know that they're gonna buy it because they need a touch-up kit.
Are you selling those to the clients?
Yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt. Why you chase? You try to come back when you faint. I always want. You got something real, my babe. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You want me up when you make it. You try to come back when you fail. I always want to prove, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not brains. You wanna get with me, stop.
Gotta rework that.
I've been outside the night long, looking for some signs and the stars. I need some insight to your heart. I've been outside the night. I've been outside the night long, looking for some signs and the stars. I need some insight to your heart. I've been outside the night.
Tell me all the things I wanna hear. You've been outside all night long. Tell me all the things I wanna hear. You've been outside all night long.
Shit was lit from the jump, but ain't no fun when it end. Just don't go fuck my friend. Just don't go fuck my friend. That's how this fight of revenge. She said better call in advance. When I pull up in the Benz, when I pull up in the Benz, we can set you bomb in the Benz. They call us double with twins. They don't know my government name. They don't know that's the name we sharing. We don't do no hoe, no sharing. We don't do no pics, no staring. And the ice so white like Karens, and we shine so bright like parents. Got me singing outside of your window, stereo and stones. No, that's a at your window, out my comfort zone. Tell your folks don't be alone. I hope your mama ain't home. It's about the 1500 time you curve my call. Ain't no simp, nah, we ain't no simp. We don't pimp, I swerve the print. Hold on, flip, block on my chip, over my shoulder, block on my hip. I'm a soldier, I'm content, off the whip. If you can dip, I'm a loner, yeah.
I've been outside the night long, looking for some signs and the stars. I need some insight to your heart. I've been outside the night. I've been outside the night long, looking for some signs and the stars. I need some insight to your heart. I've been outside the night.
Okay, y'all, I just came back from doing a little grocery shopping. There's one of our lights that's apparently about to blow. So if you see flickering, that's what it is. The light bulb needs to be changed. So we need to put in a work order. But anyways, I'm gonna show you what I got. So this is a little like grocery essentials type haul. So Aldi's was my first stop. I got 2 of these. Everything chop kit. I had this at my best friend's house last weekend. So good. So of course I had to get me some. I've been craving Flaming Hots. Y'all, this is gonna be like the worst thing that I bought today. But I've been craving these and I said, why not? So I grabbed a pack of these or a bag of these. Bag of organic pears. I have been eating apples, y'all, but the apples that I have been buying, like 4 of them, too much noise. So y'all, the apples that I have been buying was like pretty much like $3 a pound. So 4 of them, I bought 4 at once, and they cost me like $6 or $7. So when I tried these for $3, I was like, okay, let me grab these. I also bought these. I bought this little pretzel snack pack with jalapeno. This is not what I thought I grabbed. What? Did I grabbed the wrong one? I tried to grab the garden veggie, but I grabbed the jalapeno. That's okay. I'll eat the jalapeno too. And then the last thing I got was this little veggie with cheese and ranch, even though I'm trying to stop eating so much dairy. But I noticed when I stop eating dairy, because I don't eat a lot of other stuff, I barely eat. So got this as a little snack pack to take to work, or to eat like when I'm at home and I get like a little hungry, but I'm not trying to eat heavy. I'm gonna eat this. So that's what I got from Aldi's. I'm gonna put this back in the bag. Now I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree was my second stop. So I got this super coffee cinnamon roll drink. I feel like I tasted one of these before. I can't remember if I liked it. So I got this. It was $1.25. I noticed when I went to my last grocery store that this thing was $4 in that grocery store compared to $1.25 at Dollar Tree. Crazy. Anyways, I got 2 of these. I don't know the difference other than, I guess, sexism. So one is packaged for men and one is packaged for women, because like by reading it, other than this being 72 hours and then this being 24 hours, there was no noticeable difference in this saying beauty and this just saying nourishment. So I got these. I'm going to show y'all 2. These are going to be in another little, I don't know if I'm going to do a short or what, but I'm going to show y'all what I pack in like my school, my work, like hygiene beauty bag. These are going to be in there probably. I got this because I've been bored, but I've been wanting to put my phone down. So I bought this big old Connect the Dots book. Like, it's 500 dots per page. So that's gonna keep me busy for a while. I also got another book. Not that I don't have enough books, plenty of books in my cabinet, but I got this book. It said, the name of it is Serena Singh Flips the Script, a novel by Sonia Lally, author of Grown Up Pose. Never read anything by her, I don't think, but the synopsis sounded interesting. So I may do a little book review on this one on my channel, my individual channel. Let's see. I got a little, I'm gonna use this as my work beauty bag or whatever, hygiene bag. I also got 2 combs because for some reason every time I have a rat tail comb, it goes missing. Yeah. Cleaning stuff. So I got lavender scent comment for my tub. I got this little no scrub spray stuff. And I got antibacterial hand wipes. And this for my bathroom because it smells decent and I get tired of lighting candles sometimes. So I'm just gonna open this and see how it does. Last things I got were from Albertsons. I got these. They were on sale for 2 for $3. These are horrible, I'm sure, for your health. But sometimes I like noodles, so I got these. They have no added MSG, so no added MSG. And these are also the only vegetarian ones they have. They sell out a lot, so I had to grab 2 of those. I grabbed like 4 last week, but I let my coworker taste one, and she like loves them now. So I have a feeling she's gonna want one when I have one, if I have it at work. And then the last thing I got was plant-based butter spread. So yeah, that's the little haul for the girlies. I spent about a little less than $40 on all of this stuff. Yep. Okay, girlies, I'm about to restock my hygiene / essential bag that I take for work. Well, I actually replaced my bag because the other one like busted wide open. It was too small for everything I had. So I just got this little clear bag from Dollar Tree. Why not? We'll see how long this one lasts. And then I'll tell you where I got things from as I stocked the bag. First thing, this little pouch. Of course, it says bridesmaid. I think I got this thing from like the very first wedding I was in, like straight after college. So I'm just gonna put my personals in here, as my mother calls them. So my sanitary stuff. I have, of course, an extra long pad, some panty liners, and a regular pad. These are all organic, by the way. And this is Dollar Tree's organic brand. I like it. It's comfortable. It's called Be Pure. So I put an extra, I have another little baggie of sanitary napkins or whatever you want to call them in my work bag because sometimes the girls at my school ask me for pads, so I keep extra on me. So I'm gonna put my pads in this bag, and then I'm just gonna pack this bag away in here. And then next, scoot back some for y'all so y'all can see me. I had to adjust the camera. Hopefully that last part wasn't too like crooked or whatever. So put the pads back in here in the crooked bag, the clear bag, excuse me. Next, I'm gonna I have this Dove beauty cream and I also got this from the Dollar Tree. I got another one and it's almost gone. So I think this is gonna go. I've tried a few creams and hand creams this year. I think this is gonna be my staple one. So I need to go back and see if they have more of this. So I'm gonna put this in my bag as well. I got some lip gel. I had put some on before this video, so yeah. And this is a pretty new tube, believe it or not. It's just that I bought the tube in bulk, so this is like the 6th one out of the pack that I got this from, so that's why it's a little weathered. Then I have edge control. This is actually for my students once again, because once my edges go during the day, they're just that, unless I'm going somewhere like out and about with my friends. But my students, I think I've had 2 or 3 students ask me for edge control. So I'm gonna pack this away for them. Of course, if they need edge control, they probably need an edge brush. So I'm gonna put a few edge brushes, a couple of edge brushes in here. A comb, and this comb is from the Dollar Tree as well. So it's a little cheap comb just to puff up my hair throughout the day, or like do a little 1-2, you know. I have a claw clip, of course, in case I'm wearing longer hair and I want to put my hair up. I'm gonna put the claw clip in. I was gonna put this in like a mini sandwich bag, but these are the last of the pack, so I'm just gonna put the rest of the pack in. And these are floss picks. Last thing pretty much is these, what do you call these? Bobby pins or hairpins. Gonna put these in. Never know when there's gonna be an emergency and I need to pin my hair back. I have smell good, like body mist, but it's too bulky to put in here. So I usually just keep that in my actual big tote. And then I don't have, like, I know people put like mini deodorants and stuff in their bag, but I usually don't have to refresh my deodorant throughout the day. So I didn't buy any mini deodorants. I do have these dollar bills, and I try to keep a couple dollar bills on me because, again, my students, so we have like Fun Friday movie days and stuff, and sometimes we have concession stands, so a couple dollars in case the girlies or the guys ask me, or the days ask me for you know, $1 or $2. So that's what I put in my school or my work. I always say school because I work at a school, but in my hygiene / essential bag for work. Let me zip it up and then I'm gonna show y'all like y'all, I'm gonna find a cuter bag, but this is what we're working with for now. So, you see everything. Yeah.